If you are an avid Roblox player, you may have encountered error code 524 while trying to join a game. This error message can be frustrating, but fortunately there are solutions to fix the issue. In this video, we will discuss what Roblox Error Code 524 is and provide solutions to help you get back to playing your favorite game. Hi, my name is Abhiyanshu Rao and let's start the video. Roblox Error Code 524 occurs when a player is unable to join a game due to a connection issue. This error message typically reads, "Roblox is unable to join the game. Please try again later." Error code 524. This error message indicates that there is a problem with the player's internet connection or the game server. The first solution is to fix Roblox Error Code 524 is to check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is strong and stable before attempting to join the game again. If your internet connection is unstable or slow, it can cause connection issues with Roblox. The second solution is to restart the game. Sometimes Roblox Error Code 524 can be caused by a temporary glitch in the game. Exit the game and restart it to see if the issue has been resolved. The third solution is to try joining a different server. Sometimes the issue can be caused by a problem with the specific server that the player is trying to join. Try joining a different server to see if the issue has been resolved. The fourth solution is to clear your browser cache. Roblox runs on a browser-based platform and sometimes the cache can cause issue with the game. Clearing your browser cache can help fix the issue. To clear your browser cache, go on Google Chrome, click on the three dots in the top right corner of your screen and select More Tools and then Clear Browsing Data. Make sure the cached images and files box is checked and then click Clear Data. If none of the solutions work, it is best to contact Roblox support. They can help you troubleshoot the issue and provide you a solution. You can contact them via email or through Roblox website. In conclusion, Roblox Error Code 524 can be frustrating, but there are solutions to fix the issue. By checking your internet connection, restarting the game, trying to join a different game server, or clearing your browser cache, you can quickly resolve the issue and get back to playing your favorite game. If these solutions don't work, don't hesitate to contact Roblox support for further assistance. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.